Riley just takes off.
Alright.
Fucked it.
Here's this ridiculous.
Where are we going, boys?
And we're back up. What is this? Dude, I'm just gonna fly all the way across the map. See ya.
I just see Brady zooming up.
Dude, we're going cross country flying right now. I'm going all the way across the map, by the way. Like,
I don't know why it's not working for me. It legit
shit.
won't do it.
bruh, I'm doing laps at this point. Wait, there's another guy doing it too.
You see him?
Yeah, there's a guy fucking flying around.
Everyone's doing it, bro. That's jokes. Holy shit.
Yeah, dude.
You went flying. What the fuck? Yeah, if you do it forward, you just take off.
Playing fucking Flight Simulator right now. This is way more fun than the actual game.
Brady, have you touched the ground yet?
No, I literally have not touched the
I
ground.
haven't done it properly once.
Wait, really?
Yeah. I'm trying to do it again right now. I think it was just the area was tough to get out.
Come fly with me, brother. Come.
It's not working for me. It barely goes up. What the hell?
Wait, really?
Oh shit, I
Yeah,
have
I'm
people.
probably just fucking it up. I'm coming. Get to him, Brady.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna fly over to you, Riley. Don't worry. Bro, you can just hold it preemptively, like before it even
Gee.
pops up, yeah, and just wait to swipe.
I don't hear them anymore. Alright, I'm gonna go grab a balloon.
Hey Riley, look at me, bud. Are you recording this?
No.
See you, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I gotta do it properly this time. Oh, this guy's on me!
Wait, quit! No, I'm
No,
coming.
you did it wrong! Not working for me!
Where are you? Where are you?
Ow, ow! Fuck off!
I find it works best if you aim at the ground and then just like kind of, yeah, you just wait until your thing comes out and then flick that shit right up.
Quentin, where are they?
Oh, and me. Go mid pot. I hit them. They're purple. They're closing on me. They pushed through my fucking. Oh, okay, you're a bitch ass.
All right, time for my descent, boys.
Oh, he lagged out. Brady!
Not another one. Save me, Riley. Save me, Riley. Save us, Riley. He's reviving. He's reviving.
He's right.
I can't see him.
No.
Oh, you're
still
up there.
far
Ah.
I didn't know it was